Are you ready to learn how to apply Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Spray Coating and get that full 12-month durability, streak-free gloss, and intense water beading? I'll guide you step by step through the manufacturer's directions, adding my best professional tips to ensure you get a pro-level finish. Alright, the first step. Start by washing each panel with a pH-neutral car wash shampoo to lift dirt and grime. Feel free to pre-wash with a foam cannon for a safer, deeper clean if desired. Don't skip any of these crucial steps if you want a strong coating bond and a lasting, glossy finish. Rinse thoroughly to avoid leaving any residue. First tip is optional, but for the best possible results, always use a spotless water filter system for rinsing to prevent mineral deposits being left on the paint, which also can inhibit coating performance. Now, let's clay bar the vehicle. Start by kneading your clay bar until it's flat. Then spray lubricant liberally on the panel to reduce friction and prevent paint marring. Work in small sections, gently gliding the clay over the surface until it feels smooth. This crucial step removes embedded contaminants like sap, tar, and industrial fallout that washing alone cannot eliminate, ensuring a glass-like finish before applying your ceramic coating. Yes, even new cars usually need this. For newer cars or light contamination, use a mild clay bar, and for neglected vehicles with rough paint, use an aggressive clay bar. Always roll and knead the clay as it gets dirty to avoid scratches. After claying, wipe the area clean and dry with a microfiber towel. Again, this step is vital not only for the next step of polishing, but a smooth surface allows the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Spray Coating to bond better, enhancing its durability and shine. So take your time with this process for the best results. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to be polishing the paint to enhance its clarity and prepare it for the coating application. I'm using the Milwaukee 15mm dual action polisher paired with a white Lake Country polishing pad and Optimum Hyper Polish. But feel free to choose any method, product, or tools based upon your paint's condition and your experience level. You can also simply use the most inexpensive basic form of polishing by hand in the example I'm showing you here. It just will limit your efficiency and results, so keep that in mind. Polishing helps to deep clean the paint, ensuring a better bond with the ceramic coating. It doesn't have to be perfect. Our goal is to remove oxidation and light swirling if desired, while also enhancing the gloss. Do further paint correction at your own discretion. However, a simple polish is a minimum recommendation based upon the directions by the manufacturer. So take your time, working in small sections and applying light pressure, letting the polisher do the work if you choose to use a machine. There is way too much to talk about related to clay barring and polishing for this one simple video. So if you want to learn more about polishing or paint correction or anything else, I encourage you to search my channel or others for more skill building. After polishing, wipe off any residue. I'm using a dampened, high-quality microfiber towel with a rinseless wash for this step. This ensures the surface is clean and ready for the ceramic spray coating application. The water behavior on the paint indicates that we have achieved a virgin clear coat surface, free from any unwanted contamination, chemical residue, or oxidation. I reapply the rinseless wash to act as a drying aid before re-drying the vehicle. But here's another pro tip. Use a panel prep solution like Geon Prep to remove any leftover oils, polish residues, or other contaminants. While not 100% necessary, adding this step helps ensure that your Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Spray Coating bonds tightly to the paint, giving you maximum performance in a finish like the pros. Simply spray a small amount of panel prep directly onto a clean microfiber towel and work in the product while giving it a few seconds to break down any oils and residue without letting it flash. Before it dries, quickly mop up with the dry side of the towel to absorb any of the oils and residue. leaving a pristine surface. Avoid overusing this product to prevent any streaking. For the coating application, I'm using two high-quality, low-nap microfiber towels, the Edgeless 300 from the Rag Company. These are new, right out of the bag, which is ideal for this kind of application, especially on black paint, where you notice all imperfections. Low-nap microfiber towels like this work better than super plush options for coating applications because they help you lay down a more even layer and avoid leaving any lint or streaks on the surface. It also makes it easy to spread the product smoothly across the surface without catching or dragging. And the follow-up towel gives you a pristine glossy finish. So the directions say to spray 2 times directly on the surface in a small section, which I'll show you here first. Evenly distribute the product on the surface in circular motions as it begins to flash. Quickly follow up with the dry side and buff the surface until you notice no streaks or haziness, applying no pressure. So my last tip is going to be to spray directly into the towel to avoid overspray issues on the car. This can be a frustrating experience when detailing cars, so simply spray your towel low to the ground away from the vehicle, being mindful of the wind direction as well. You do not want these spots all over your car. Once you've applied the product around the vehicle, Turtle Wax recommends waiting 24 hours before applying a second coat. This helps you achieve the full 12 months of durability. During this time, avoid washing or getting the vehicle wet. It's best to keep it in the garage to allow it to cure properly. I hope this video has boosted your confidence in applying Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating, and I hope it has helped you resolve any issues you may have faced before watching. I'm Alan with Highlands Auto Detailing. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss any more simple, straightforward car detailing how-to videos, tips, and tricks. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Have a great day.